Hi everyone, my name is Kuku. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up centralized logging using the ELK stack and Filebeat. Let's start with a common problem. When we want to check logs from a website for like Nginx, we usually have to log in to the server and manually inspect log files. And that is a traditional habit. For the example, Nginx logs are typically stored in slash var slash log slash Nginx slash access log. To analyze issue, we need to open the file. First we do SSH to the server and tail log the access log. This process is time consuming, inefficient, and not scalable, especially when dealing with multiple servers. Now let's look a better approach by using ELK stack. We can centralize our logs into one system. Uh, like this, the flow is start from filebit and filebit send to logstash and logstash send to Elasticsearch and Elasticsearch send to Kibana. Think of the system like a factory. Filebit as a courier log, logstash as a sorter, Elasticsearch as a smart warehouse, and Kibana as a monitoring dashboard. So, so that is more easier than we use manually SSH to the server, and it analyze error more simple and monitoring system activity more simple too, and troubleshoot problem quickly and efficiently. And let's go to the next slide. uh, this is architecture of ELK stack with Filebeat and Nginx. Like I said, Nginx server, we in this case we just monitoring a log files from Nginx server, and we use FileB2 and ELK stack. And the next video we will practice how to this is architecture work. I will introduce again. This Elasticsearch is a core of the system. Elasticsearch uh, Elasticsearch for storage and indexing, log processing, and Kibana UA visualization and Filebeat log sender. So in this chapter 3, we will practice. Uh, so in this video, I I, I use Ubuntu operating system version 24, and I use RAM 16 gigabytes and processor Core i7. So ELK ELK's server in this video, I will use a single server, not a elastic cluster. I will use a default port like Elasticsearch 9, 9200 port and Kibana 5601 port and Logstash 5044 port. So let's get started for installing Elasticsearch first. Maybe I'm not explain detail for installation because the installation is very simple. You use you just install keepers and then install repository and then you will install the Elasticsearch. If you interest about my video, you can reach me and I will send you what I will share you the guide for step by step for installing ELK stack with a Filebeat. Uh, so uh, we install Elasticsearch and Kibana and Filebeat and Logstash with version 8.19 and point 4. So we check Elasticsearch is running or not. Oh, sorry. We need run first. We not make another node. We just do it all the service in one node or one laptop. So we parallel with installing another service. So we can see Elasticsearch is just running, and then we must configure it first. The Elastic config in etc Elasticsearch and Elasticsearch.yml. That is Elasticsearch. If you want remote log Elasticsearch with IP, you must open network host to 0.0.0 and point 0. Or if you want to custom uh, another port, you open it and you can change what you want port you can. But in this video, I will use default port in 992 and 06. So we have done and we save and we can check the Elasticsearch. Oh, what happened? Oh, in this default, Elasticsearch running with HTTPS and with user Elastic. Uh, if you don't know the password of Elastic, you must reset password in Elastic. If you want to change the password or reset the password, the place is in the /usr /share and /elasticsearch and then /bin. So this is ultra all service program of Elasticsearch. If you want to reset password, you just /Elasticsearch and then reset password, and what you want user to change password. uh, I want to change Elastic for the example, and I want to password interactive, change password with interactive mode. uh, this is the command reset password in super user like this, and I type Y and I give the password. So we have done. Oh, we re-enter the password again. So we have done to change Elasticsearch password. Then we repeat again to test the Elasticsearch running or not, like this. Yes, the Elasticsearch just running in version 8 and 19 and 40. So we have done to install Elasticsearch. If you want to make Elasticsearch cluster, you can join another node with this command. Create Elasticsearch enrollment token main as node, and then will token is appear, and you just copy in and share to another node. Mm, but in this video, I will I with a simple Elasticsearch with one node. We don't need this command. We just need this command to enrollment token for Kibana. Yeah, yes, this is token for Kibana. We save it for the next step. So the next step, we will install Kibana. Kibana is the simple installation. If we if we have done to copy register and key, we just give the command apt get install Kibana. Yeah, Kibana running in version 8 and 19 and 40. So we check if the Kibana run or not. Kibana is running, and then we open the browser for check, recheck again. Is it Kibana running or not? The oh the default configuration of Kibana in /etc kibana.yaml. You can see this is just default config. If you don't change anything in this configuration, Kibana is running default in port 5601. You can see Kibana is running, and then you copy from terminal to this, and we connect configure on server Kibana verification code. Oh, Sorry. Kibana bin ls. Oh, Kibana verification code. Verification code is, oh, sorry. Maybe I will copy it for the simple. We waiting for synchronize between Elastic and Kibana. Yes, Kibana and Elastic is just synchronized. We log and then we log in with root Elasticsearch credential. So, so you can see this is a Kibana visualization. Okay, maybe in the next slide we explore this US visualization. The next step we install Logstash and we install Logstash first. Install Logstash is just simple apt install Logstash. Make sure the version is the same. Kibana Logstash Filebeat Nginx. You must make sure again the all service running in the same version. Logstash acts as the brain for processing logs. Without the logs are ingest are raw and unstructured data. Because Logstash a safe pipeline, the log is from text log is raw data. Logstash can filter what we want get, what we want collect, maybe timestamp or user or version browser and etc. If we have done install Logstash, we check Logstash running. Logstash is not running. We install Logstash. Yes, Logstash is just running. We check Logstash running. Logstash is run. So this is a default from Logstash configuration. And consume. And I just give you give I give you advice. The configuration of pipeline logs test, the path and the path is /etc/logstash/conf. I save this configuration, pipeline configuration. I give name logstash.conf. The pipeline is start from input and then filter and then finish with output. You can see input from bits. First bit is 5044 and then filtering with Elasticsearch. This message is Elasticsearch need like timestamp, log level data, no data context, and log message. So I don't explain detail about it. You can make custom pipeline. You can if you want explore with deep, you can search in GPT or AI. You can help in AI. So the next step we configure logs test. Yes, input is data source, filter is you can transfer from raw data to transform to that data Elasticsearch you uh, format, and then output destination you want send a log to Elasticsearch. You write Elasticsearch URL and Elasticsearch credential in this output. So the next step we install Filebeat. Install Filebeat is simple too. You just type comment like apt install Filebeat. Yeah, Filebeat is already installed on 8 and 19 and 14 version. So we check install Filebeat. Oh, sorry, I'm wrong. Mm, project. Filebeat send log access directly to Elasticsearch. So, um, I'm sorry, I will pause this section. I will fix the problem first and then I will continue this video.